ओके आजचं क्रॉसिंग एरिया आम्ही किती किती झालं
आज क्रॉस स्टार्ट केला. Advocate Arun Das has started his cross, and it will be continued till the next date. He has deferred the cross because we did it almost for 1 hour. He did it almost for 1 hour. So it will be continued now. And after that, the next accused, advocate for the next accused will have to continue. So right now, the cross has begun. Cross start now. So we'll wait and see now what happens. He has given a date now. Next date is given on 27th. Still, all of us wanted a date in the first week of January because this is now Christmas and most of us are not working. But since there is a High Court direction in this matter, he has given a date on 27th. So on 27th the cross will continue.
Okay, any major highlighting questions?
Major highlighting questions. See, I cannot reveal any major highlighting questions as of now. So as and when the matter goes ahead, you will know which were the major questions that we asked. As the matter reaches the argument stage, you will understand what were the major questions.
Okay.